If you want to make a website, now is a really good time. Forget about the hard and long process. There are several special website builders that use AI. I'm going to 10web.io. It's a AI website builder. It's absolutely free for joint, and you are able to create a website in just few seconds. Now I'm going to this website. This link I will attach in description below. Then click here, and then you are going to redirect this homepage. Then just create, generate your website. Just click here. Then create a new website with AI. Convert a website to WordPress with AI. I'm choosing number one. Then I'm recommending you choose number one. Let's start creating your website with AI. I want to create an informational website. So I choose number one. Then next, what business name? I choose a business name. Example of USIN. I choose this name. This is a really good name. Then create next business. Oh, select your business type. What type of website you want to create right now? Example of you need a cosmetic store, you need a shoe store, and you want to sell some electrical, electronics, and facial treatment, then health related product, everything. Then otherwise you want to sell your service like plumber, then you have a barber shop, you have a restaurant, and everything. Otherwise, you want to write a blog post, a type of news, then everything. Select your business type. So I select, please select the type of business. I select businesses. Then now pick a design already pre-template. I choose number one. It's really good. You can choose number two or three. This doesn't matter. So I choose number one. Then click next. Then choose your branding or business name. So I choose business hub leading. Then describe your company. My company provide SEO and SEM service. I can provide right this one. Then you want to, if you are don't able to write a description, don't worry. Just click enhance with AI. Yeah, write a description for you. Can you imagine? So wow, this is a really good. We specialize in helping businesses improve their online presence through effective search engine optimization. So I I like really like this. Then I click next button. Then I choose this default because this is really good. You want to change SEO strategies and SEM solution website traffic boost. Then I want to S. Then you want, if you don't like this, please change it. So I like, really like it. So next button. So I want to create a formal website. If you want to create an information website, choose number one. So I choose number two, formal website. Finalize. Then join with your Gmail. So I choose sign up with Google. Well, this is easy way. So I choose my Gmail. Congress, your website was successfully created with AI. Just preview and edit. Wow, this is my own website, and nobody tell you that is her website. This is your exclusively your website. This one. So this is really good. Then this is a desktop mode, and I want to convert a mobile view. Then this is extremely good. Wow, this is really good. So I want to again desktop mode. Then service type, maximizing website. Then this is a mm, like Elementor Pro. So if you want to change anything, this is a possible because this is easy for customizable. If you want to more video about those type of chat GPT, online AI and everything is possible, I will try to create a video exclusively video for you. See you next video. Tata.